Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2011 Honda Civic Type S. Now of course, it is finished in this wonderful metallic grey. You then get these brilliant silver alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get an idea of these 16-inch alloy wheels. Then coming round to the rear, we have got the traditional triangle tailpipes, which of course Honda was significantly recognised for on the Top Gear episode when we had the blue one on there. We've then got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with the boot floor. Then walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. And of course, with this being a 3-door, you will get the lever on the side of the driver's and passenger seat. Just so you can see, we have the full black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've then also in the front got your 6-speed manual gearbox, as this is a VTEC engine. We've got your stereo controls, which has AM, FM, CD, aux. We've then got your air conditioning controls just here along the side of the driver's steering wheel. Then we've got your audio controls just here, onboard computer controls on the right. As you can see, this Type S has done 52,938 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic Type S, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.